Using legacy systems is frustrating as they lack greatly in features and don't receive support. This means upgrading is a must. ERP systems like Odoo don't support 100% upgrade. It's difficult to perform migration, and you might just be one step away from losing all your data. We know how challenging this can be, and our team at Projomania is here to help. Whether you are struggling to upgrade to newer versions of Odoo or need to migrate your company's data in the shortest possible time without any data loss, Projomania is the company you need. As the data migration and management services provider, we can help you upgrade to the most recent version of Odoo in a few days with no data loss. But that's not all. We also provide data lifecycle management and can empower your future decisions with reports of the historical data in one place. With just a single purchase of our service, you get 24/7 lifetime support, migration from any version, testing and feedback, and much more. Let's help your company move safely and fast. Contact us now or visit www.projomania.com.